Hello everyone, welcome to my video. And in this video I'll walk you through my retail database using answered focus approach to statistical data manipulations for my IT 143 assignment, week 5 assignment. In this demonstration I'll walk you through some questions, and these questions are insightful for retail managers. It helps them to monitor their best selling items. So the step one here, as you can see, the step one says ask a simple question, and the question is, what are the top 5 most frequently purchased products? Now this question helps us understand which products drive sales volume. My step 2, which is begin creating an answer. This I've outlined how I might answer this question. I've used some options are I can group the purchases by product description, I can sum up the quantity, or I can sort them in a descending order. Now I'm supposed to limit I can limit the results to just the top 5 products, which is actually the question that I want. Now this is a plan. I can start executing a query for this question. The next step 3 says write an ad hoc SQL query, and here you can see I've executed the query to see if my logic works, and it has returned the 5 most sold products quantity and their description and their total quantity. As you can see, the cream cupid, hat, coat hanger, white metal, and the rest of them. So these are the 5 most sold items. And in the step 4, as you can see, step 4 says turn the query into a view. So I created a view that is called the VW top 5 products, and this encapsulates the entire logic. Now this logic can be reused without writing the query. Step 5.1 says create a table from the view. I'm creating a table using the select info, as you can see here. Step 5.2 says refine the table structure, which I've enhanced the table with a primary key. This ensures that each role is uniquely identifiable. You can identify each role uniquely. Step 6 says load data from the view into the table. As you can see, I've used the truncate table function to insert the 5 products into the table. Now this keeps the table synced with the view. In step 7, as you can see here, I've turned the refresh logic into a stored procedure here, and now I can reuse the process with just one command. And the step 8 says call the stored products. That's the step for step 8. I've executed the stored products to load the data. Now this approach helps me break down a business question into logical SQL steps, just like we've been taught to do. With this, I've been able to learn how to ask clear questions, write reusable views, build structured table, and automate situations with stored produces. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you were able to understand something from the video. Thank you for your time.